Do you see it? Do you see it? You don't see it? Okay. I'll cut a hole to this line. Nice big hole. Some draft is coming in. I forgot to look for insulation. I don't want to get the R35, is it? That Pink Panther stuff. This is like cotton that's thrown in there. It's a special insulation. Going to be hard to find. 32 inches. What I've done is I measured out. Oh, I won't be able to see it. It's on a piece of blue tape, my line, real thin line. I don't have any light, and I do apologize for the GoPro being a poor lit camera. That looks like the line right there. Grab myself a bolt, a nut. It's called a screw. Of course, a screw for sheetrock. Apply some pressure to it. Just above the line, not bad. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Right on the line. I gotta get a new battery. Battery died. Now, I'm pretty good where I need to be with the line, right? So I can take my blue tape off. Don't need it. Get rid of it, and what you see here is this opening, right? That's where my copper is going to go through. So this wood is going to come down, so I can slide my copper through, put it back up. I should have made this go all the way to the end over here, because that's where I need to get my line in. Oh, I got the wrong glasses on. Oh, it goes into place. It's not going to come down. Let go. A little paint. There you go. There you go. Beautiful. So imagine this being my line now, right? The wood's towards the edge. Underneath and on top and on this side. That's what you call it. Got a dull blade. So almost sounds like I'm hitting something. I'm just going to take a hammer and a screwdriver. You can see the line. Finishing up my hole. Feels like I got some metal grate here, which is not great. I need light on this subject. I made my hole. I got 2 PXs coming through. Not worried about it. If I do this right, I'm going to simply just put one of these through the wall and have a cover like so. Heck, how does that look? Ooh, yeah, that's in there nicely, but I gotta kind of angle the other side and I gotta swing it over here. I think that'll do. Just gotta make sure that I clear everything in there. What we all do for YouTube, to get a video to show people how things are made. Look at that bad boy. Got a nice bend. A little bit more. Ah, there we go. Perfect, man. Not what I want, but that will protect my pipe. Maybe I'll cut this off or cut this off and put it in there and figure out how to mount that on.